time lover. My mind run pon you all the while. And remember how first time the two we come in, it did seem like two shallow little snake in stream. Marching, mapless, hapless a galang through the rugged landscape of the heart song. And that's how we did a go on, so till that fateful day. After the passion of the hurricane, further than imagination or dream, we find myself laid down on the same bedrock, flowing out together as one stream, riding sublime through love lavish terrain, lush and green and bright after the rain, shimmering with glittering eyes, glowing in the glare of the smiling sun. Feel blue for you when I think about you. Blue like the sky, lingering promise of rain, in the leaking light, in the hush of an evening twilight. When remember how first time the two we come in, it did seem like a long, long river that is wide and deep. Sometimes it was silent like the language of rock stone. Sometimes we would have sing a river song as we a wine along. Sometimes we just cool and calm under plenty shady tree. Sometimes softly laughing bamboo root as them swing and sway. Sometimes cascading carefree down a steep gully bank. Sometimes turbulent in temperament we flood the bank. But whether ebb or flow, through rain, through drought, we never stray far from love rigid route. Old time sweetheart, up to now me still can't understand how we get back down in a so much silt and sand, rock, stone, debris, log jam. So tell we had was to flow with separate paths. Now traversing the torrid terrain, a love landscape, running from the pollution of a contrite heart. Me long for the marvelous miracle of hurricane, fi carry me go a meeting stream again, lamenting me salted fate, surmising say it too late.